In this video, I will cover error messages that may occur on your PAT 4.0 system. Error number 13, detent sensor dirty or blocked. Let me simulate. Okay, press the silence button and the back button. This error occurs when the detent sensor, which is located approximately here inside the tool, either has an obstruction or is dirty. And the main cause of that is the tip collector getting too full. So what I'm going to do is just remove the tip collector. And as you can see, there's a lot of tie waste sticking out of the top of the tool. So what you want to do is grab a pair of needle nose pliers and just pull lightly on the tie waste that you have sticking out the top of the tool. Once you remove all the tie waste, and after you've emptied your tip collector, just put it back on, slide it on like so, and then you should be ready to go. If removing the tip collector and clearing the tie waste out of the top of the tool didn't clear your error message, then refer to the housing removal and error explanation video. That's how you clear error number 13 on your PAT 4.0 system.